Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm going to do a review on a pair of 6-inch grey Helcor Timberland boots. So as you can see, here is the box. Here's the boots. As you can see here, the 6-inch grey Helcor Timberland boots. Quite a nice color, and of course, as the Timberlands, they'll be quite comfortable and good for all weathers. You can see it says Helcor. These are the special edition of 6-inch Timberland boots, guaranteed waterproof. You can read more information about them on the official Timberland website, www.timberlandboots.com, and find out more about these boots. Now these ones are actually limited edition and special, so I think it will be good if you try out these boots. So I'd like to say to you, thank you for watching, and make sure you buy these Timberland boots.